Hey everyone, welcome back to Techwibes. Get ready because these 7 tech innovations coming in 2026 will change your life. Stick around because the last one could make your smartphone totally obsolete. First up, AI phones that don't need apps. Imagine your phone understanding you so well. It books trips, replies to messages, and manages your finances with just your voice. Next, smart glasses are getting ready to replace smartphones. Imagine checking messages, navigating streets, and recording videos completely hands-free. Then we have self-driving cars for everyone. Soon, your car could pick you up, avoid traffic, and park itself while you just relax. And how about AI content creators? AI is already writing scripts, editing videos, and making music. Will it support human creativity or replace it? The future is here, and it's mind-blowing. If you're excited, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which innovation you can't wait for.